Alright, what happens if the battery in your smart key dies? First, we're going to try it out. I'm going to press on the brake. And you can see that it works. Let me turn it off. So if your battery died, the first thing you need is to take out your physical key. You would open the door with this. And now I'm gonna remove the battery so you can see. Battery removed. Let me put that cover back on. So now press on the brake. Take your key without a battery or a dead battery. You hear that? You hear beep. Now your car starts. If you leave the key over here, key not detected. So it needs to be over here. You see it did it without me pressing on the brake too. But to start, you need to press on the brake. Thank you for watching. Peace out.